Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix your audio when no audio device is installed or found. That is an error that Windows gives. Now, the first thing that we need to make sure is that your audio is correctly installed. So let's make sure to do that first. Now, the first thing that we're willing to do is simply by going down to the search bar right here in Windows, and from there type in the services, as you can see. Now, once the services open up, the only thing that you have to do is go down to a random service and type in W. Now, this will take you to all the W options, and from there we open up Windows Audio, we double click it, and it's very important, so make sure that your startup type is set to automatic. Now, from there simply press apply, press OK, and that's the first thing that we'll check. Let's get right to the next one. Another service that we need to check is the Realtek service. So simply go down to another random service, type in an R, and from there we search for the Realtek Audio Universal Service. Simply right click, and from there go to properties. Now, once you're in the properties, simply select the startup type and make sure that it's also set to automatically. Now, from here simply press apply, press OK, and let's head to the next one. Now you can end the services. The next thing that we should check if there are any seasonal updates from Windows, depending on the components you use. So simply go down to the search bar and type in Windows Updates. Update settings right here. Now let's open them up, and from here we scroll down. It's very important, and from there we check the advanced options. Now here you see the advanced options and you see the additional options. Here are the optional updates. Now here, as you can see, there's 8 driver updates for me, and here if there's an audio version, it's probably because your version is out of date. Simply check the ones that you're using. From there press download and install, and that should probably fix the issue for you. Now check if there's still a problem. If so, I got the last option to show you. Now, what could also be possible is the service, the hardware driver. So simply head down to the search bar and type in device manager right here. Now, once the device manager opens up, you get a list of all the devices connected to your computer or inside your computer. Now simply open up the audio inputs and outputs, and from there we go to the speaker right here. We simply right click it, and from there update the driver. Now here search automatically for drivers, and this will make sure that there are the latest drivers available. Now let's head to the next method. Sometimes it's also possible that your device, let's say your speaker, is disabled. So from there it can be possible to right click it and from there enable the device. Now it says here that it is that you can disable it, so that means that it is enabled. But if it says enable device, simply press it and your device should be enabled. Now, once you're in the device manager, simply scroll down till you find the sound, video and game controllers. It's very important that you scroll down, and here you find the Realtek audio driver. Now simply right click it, and also what you did before was update the drivers, because it can also be a problem in the software of your Realtek audio. So simply search automatically for drivers, and from there, as you can see, my driver are already installed, and show that should be fine. Now we got one last option. Now if the problem still persists, simply we have one last option that will most likely fix the issue. Go down to the audio inputs and outputs, and here find the speaker Realtek audio and simply right click it, and from there uninstall the device. Now what this will do, it will temporarily uninstall the device on your laptop or computer, and then you have to restart your PC or laptop, because then your system will automatically download all the latest firmware and drivers for your speaker and reinstall the device automatically. This will probably fix the issue if anything else doesn't work. Now, if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like. It helps me out a ton, and subscribe. But most importantly, thank you for watching.